Bula, it's Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We just came back from the beach, which is literally steps that way. And we rode in on our bikes. Yep, look at that. Those are the best things to get you around here in this gorgeous community. This is Nanuku, and this is super well known here, ultra luxury. This is only one of 13 villas in the Auberge Beach villas that were built in 2019, so almost brand new. And this is a wonderful opportunity for you to come in and enjoy this for yourself and your family and your friends. And when you're not here, guess what? You can rent it out and make lots of money. So best of both worlds. Luxury, rental income, Fijian paradise. Look at this. This is just incredible. You have just great two-person hammock here, day bed just to relax. There are those, we call them parrot's beak out here. These tropical, colorful flowers, just like the red ginger you see in the back. And notice that nice sitting bourrée with the day bed. I mean, literally just put it on pause. You can picture yourself there right now, or sitting here, or lounging in those loungers, or just soaking under that outside shower. This is the back entrance that'll take you literally right to the beach. There's that outside shower, and literally, I mean, you grab your beach gear and boom, you're there. You're literally right there. There's that mangi, that coconut fiber, and you have some really nice lighting in here too, and some lighting off the steps. Great plunge pool. I know you're picturing yourself right here with some Fijian rum, saying, Bula! This is living, man. All right, it's Fiji time. No worry, no hurry. Here is your villa, and let's go have a look again. Fully furnished, so this is, again, operating as a luxury villa for guests when you're not here, and you're collecting some of that rental income, and it's professionally managed for you. Granite countertop, utility sink. You have the Smeg kettle. There's a Smeg toaster up there. Fisher Paykel induction right here, so you can actually do a little cooking if you want to. There's that Hisense microwave, and some really cool art in here too. You have your Fujitsu digital cooling air cons here, and these things are cranking because it's feeling really nice in here right now. Notice the vaulted ceilings. And again, with that coconut fiber, really gives it that local Fijian element. Really nice combination of the elegance and the traditional together. And you can see, you can block that up for privacy. Big bed. Again, that great vaulted Fijian ceilings. We're gonna walk around. You're gonna see that entranceway again, along with another flat screen TV. So if you want to watch that Netflix in bed or catch up on the daily events, you can do that. And here's a full-length mirror. You're going to want to use that when you're out hitting the town here. We're going to all the fine restaurants and places to go. And here's a different pillow, of course. And you can even relax with one of the Nanuku robes. How cool is that? So lots of built-ins in here. Throw your luggage down. You're probably not going to have much because you're going to be out surfing and kayaking and snorkeling and doing all the fun beach activities and water sports that Fiji's famous for. Here's the toilet area with that frosted glass. Gives you that privacy. Look at this. Double showers. You know it. Double rain showers. Oh yeah. And not enough. We have the outside shower. Hanging in the sunlight. Look at that Fiji sun. Gorgeous day today. And you can be out here during the day, during the night, under all these tropical plants. Really just enjoying yourself. Local fern here. All right. There you have it. So, look at that soaking tub. That is just spectacular. Double sinks, granite counters, slow close, Kohler fixtures, really high-end stuff from the United States. All the organic, locally sourced bath products here in Fiji. And whether you're coming here to Fiji or not, look those up online. If you can't get here, better yet, get here and get them from Fiji, because they are really, really beautiful. There you go. What kind of invitation do you need? I don't know. Even if you don't have sound on this, that says it all. So we look forward to seeing you here in Fiji. So much to see, so much to do. Why not have a great investment like this where you know it's solid, it comes with that auberge, world-class quality name, and you can make money while you're at it. Best of everything right here. Find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this spectacular opportunity and all of our listings here in Fiji. So I guess it's time for us to go back to the beach. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Banaka.